How to balance hormones naturally. Hormones are chemical messengers in our body produced in endocrine glands. Hormones travel around blood circulation and tissues and organs. Their too little or too much production can result in hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalance represents a huge variety of hormonal problems. Many of our body hormones generally fluctuate throughout our life to regulate the process of aging, while some may fluctuate due to malfunctioning of endocrine glands. Hormones regulate various body physiological functions like metabolism, sexual functions, growth and reproduction, sleep-awake cycle, maintain homeostasis. Hormones are powerful signals of our body. The very slight fluctuation in their concentration leads to severe outcomes that require treatment. Some hormonal imbalances are short-term, while others are long-term, severe outcomes. Some hormonal imbalances don't require any such treatment, but their fluctuation affects the quality of your living, while other hormonal imbalances require treatment to maintain yourself physically healthy. Hormonal imbalance causes a variety of disorders like infertility, obesity, diabetes, acne, thyroid issues, irregular menstruation. Mainly the symptoms of hormonal imbalance represent fatigue, anxiety and depression, weight gain or weight loss, high blood cholesterol, sleep sickness, numbness and tingling in your hands, loss of appetite, irregular periods, hair fall, skin tags, etc. Hormones regulate body physiology. The body produces the required amount of hormones to carry out each particular function. However, our lifestyles, dietary patterns, and our fluctuating environment affect that balance. To maintain hormonal balance, you must adapt to healthy dietary habits. A considerable amount of protein in every meal is a must. Proteins provide essential amino acids that are necessary to carry out most of the physiological functions of our body, like metabolism, energy requirements, appetite, stress. Metabolic hormone ghrelin is released, which is helpful in the suppression of your appetite, and you might feel full. Consuming a minimum of 20-30 grams of protein per meal is sufficient to carry out normal physiological functions. High-protein diet includes eggs, chicken breast, fish, beef, yogurt, legumes, etc. have the highest protein level. Hormonal health is directly associated with weight gain. Maintenance of healthy weight is important for hormonal balance. Obesity is one of the major causes of the increasing rate of diabetes and infertility. Obesity is one of the most significant causes of hypogonadism, an absence or reduction of hormonal secretions of ovaries and testes. Obesity is significantly important in the decreased level of testosterone in men and estrogen in females. Both are directly related to the reproductive cycle, hence resulting in infertility in both females and males. Physical activity has a significant role in maintaining hormonal imbalance. Exercising daily improves blood circulation and nutrient uptake. It also improves hormonal health by increasing receptor sensitivity of hormones, which means it increases nutrient absorption and regulates hormonal signals. Strength training, walking, aerobics, yoga, or any form of physical activity reduces the risk of many diseases related to muscular and physical health. The main benefit of exercise is regulating insulin balance and enhancing insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of diabetes and many heart diseases. Daily exercise is also helpful in maintaining muscular health that gradually declines with age. Muscular health is mainly maintained by testosterone, DHEA, IGF-1, and human growth hormones. Daily exercising maintains the regulation of these hormones before aging. Our gut contains various kinds of friendly bacteria called probiotics. These probiotics release metabolites which affect hormonal health. A healthy gut microflora has a great impact on overall hormonal health. Our gut's natural flora maintains hormones by regulating insulin resistance and appetite. Acetic acid, butyric acid, and other organic acids are being produced by the natural flora of our gut, helpful in burning high-calorie food, hence preventing insulin resistance. These organic acids also regulate ghrelin hormones in the gut, which causes the feeling of fullness, and regulating fullness hormones like PYY and GLP-1. Obesity causes fluctuations in the healthy gut microbiome, causing inflammation and insulin resistance. Improve gut microbiome. To regulate hormonal health, we must ensure the flourishing of gut bacteria. Try to eat probiotics, yogurt, prebiotics, and fermented foods, vegetables, and olives. Keep your gut healthy by consuming energy-rich foods and maintaining the diversity of gut natural flora. Under stress conditions, a stress hormone called cortisol is released. It helps our body to compete with long-term stress. Normal levels of cortisol in the blood are healthy for stress management. Once the stressor passes, cortisol comes to its original, but in high stress conditions, our cortisol level constantly rises, which results in insulin resistance and more appetite for consuming sugary diets, ultimately leads to obesity and heart-related diseases. High cortisol also causes gluconeogenesis, that is production of glucose from non-carbohydrate sources. This condition leads to insulin resistance. Normal levels of cortisol in the blood are healthy for stress management. Once the stressor passes, cortisol comes to its original, but in high stress conditions, our cortisol level constantly rises, which results in insulin resistance and more appetite for consuming sugary diets, ultimately leads to obesity and heart-related diseases. Engaging in meditation, yoga, and other soothing activities may help normalize our cortisol level in the blood. To maintain normal hormonal balance, minimize the intake of sugary diets. High sugar intake causes various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart diseases. The constant use of sugary beverages decreases calorie burning and causes weight gain. A good quality sleep might deprive us of many health problems. Consistent and good quality sleep plays a key role in maintaining normal physiological functions of the body and maintaining homeostasis. Poor sleep patterns or routines can lead to many health problems related to stress, indigestion, mental and physical lethargy, etc. Poor sleep routine might link to an imbalance of these hormones: cortisol, ghrelin, leptin, insulin. These hormones are important for normal physiology and homeostasis of the human body. Maximum 7 hours of sleep per night is enough for maintaining hormonal health and physiology. High-fat diet is responsible for lowering insulin resistance and appetite. High-fat diet is also helpful in regulating stress hormone, cortisol. Fats are present generally in the form of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, in tissues that are taken up by the liver to provide energy by burning calories. MCTs decrease insulin resistance, respectively. Omega-3s is a fatty acid that decreases inflammatory or pro-inflammatory markers and increases insulin sensitivity. Healthy fats are present in peanuts, avocados, MCT oil, fish, nuts, olive oil. In a healthy diet, high fiber content is present. Many studies prove that high fiber in the diet increases insulin sensitivity and regulates ghrelin hormones that make you feel full. Soluble fiber has a crucial role in maintaining our appetite, while non-soluble fiber also plays some roles. Our gut microbiome ferments soluble fiber in the colon, which releases SCFAs that stimulate the release of fullness hormones like PYY and GLP-1. Hence, try to eat high-fiber foods each day. High-fiber diet contains avocados, beans, sweet potatoes, vegetables, bananas, popcorn, almonds, etc. Replacing Western-style diet routine with Mediterranean-style diet, which is rich in legumes, whole grains, and fish, might be helpful in estrogen maintenance. Estrogen hormone is involved in maintaining male and female reproductive health. Immune responses. Fluctuations in estrogen level have severe outcomes related to metabolic disorders. Our Western-style diet is high in red meat and refined sugar that elevates the level of estrogen, causing ovarian and breast cancer in females. Mediterranean diet, however, is rich in legumes, whole grains, fish, green leafy vegetables, and seeds, which tend to decrease estrogen levels and maintain good health. Long intake of the Mediterranean diet can reduce the risk of breast cancer in females. Effective food items to treat hormonal imbalance: legumes, chickpeas, lentils, soybeans and beans, almonds, pine nuts, tofu, pumpkin and sunflower seeds, dark green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, whole grains, flex seeds, fatty fish, oats, lentils, chia seeds, etc. The best supplements for balancing hormonal imbalance are vitamin D, zinc, probiotics, magnesium, diindolymethyl-dim, DHEA, licorice root, indium maca root. To maintain normal physiological functions and homeostasis of our body, we must require a specific amount of these hormones. Hormonal imbalance leads to severe outcomes disturbing the body's natural physiology. However, the hormonal imbalance which causes aging is not in our control, but through proper lifestyle and dietary habits, we